What's up, guys? So today we're doing a little bit of catfishing. I've got that pole set up for catfishing, and I'm just kind of shooting around using the Ned rig, trying to find a couple bass. But that's what we're doing today. Back at the pond. Didn't want to travel too far because the weather's not looking that great, so figured, yeah, we'd hang out here and see if we couldn't hook up on a catfish or a bass or crappie, something. Try to catch something. But yeah, guys, we out here. I don't give up easily. I didn't have very much success yesterday. I caught a creek fish. Other than that, I really want to catch one on this Ned rig. And also last night I relined this thing because I didn't think I had nowhere near enough line, and yeah, I got down here, I made my second cast, and I don't know if y'all see that, but I have barely any line anymore. I don't know what happened. Sometimes when I nest it, it's like the line has little V lines in it and you can't pull it out. How do you fix that? How do you get that from, how do you stop that from happening, first of all? Besides, I mean, obviously don't nest it, but how do you get them out? How do you get them out without cutting your line all the crap? I had to cut my line like 10 times. Well, guys, instead of killing the battery, wasting y'all's time, I'll pick y'all up here in a little bit. Hopefully with a catfish or a bass or something. It is what it is, though. Get back with you. No, don't tell me you come off. I got one, guys. Oh, yeah. Finally. Boom. Yes, sir. Fish number one. It's a nice bass. Pretty. I'm hoping they're going to get bigger. It's a pretty fish. Yes, sir. Finally. Got on the little jerk bait right there. Little jerk. About didn't get the camera on. Thought I lost him. Heck yeah. Oh, yes, I'll pick you back up when we hook up on another one. Hopefully that won't be too long, but we'll see. Be back with y'all in a little bit. What up, guys? So, caught one fish today. Didn't get to finish my fishing video. Had some family emergencies to take care of. But, yeah. And next 4 days is supposed to be pretty crappy. So, don't know when the next video is going to get posted, but we'll definitely get some more videos up here soon, hopefully. And next time will be a catfishing video as well. We're going to do a little bit of both catfishing and bass fishing. I caught a bass today. Didn't catch any catfish, didn't have enough time. But we'll continue to try, and, you know, it is what it is. So, till next time, guys, I'll see you then.